Let's learn validation set through the window of validation pane. Suppose I want to set validation for gender. These are the cells where I want to set gender for male and female. We had seen how to set it through a predefined list. Now we will create a list to define validation. Select the cells, go to data validation, validation window, go to list and type the text which you want to enter there as a list for data validation and separate each word by comma. Here in case of gender there are only two possibilities. One is male, comma, second is female. Two words separated by comma, no space. Click on OK. If you look at the cells, it is set for validation. As what you learned earlier, you can set predefined input message as well as error message of your choice. There are many other ways of data validation. We will learn one more way of validating date. Here in case of date of birth, suppose I want to restrict date of birth from 1st January 1945 to 1st January to 31st December 1995. I want to enter only specific dates in these columns. So select the cells, go to data, data validation, settings. Earlier we had seen how to set it through list. Now select date. By default it will appear with between. You can set for greater than or equal to or not equal to, less than or something like through this list. So we want to set it between 1st January 1945 to 31st December 1995. Within these two dates only I expect that the date should enter in this column. Where we can apply such type of restrictions. Suppose you want to enter data for admission for school. In that case you expect that before certain date of birth of the student should lie in. In that case you have to set the validation for date of birth less than something like this. So automatically the moment you enter any date beyond that, it will not accept and you will know that that particular student is not liable for the admission. Here in this case I want to have student or persons having date of birth between these two dates. And if you look at, it will not appear with a drop down arrow because it was not a list. But if you want to enter date, suppose 15th of August 1947, enter. It is always recommended to format date column as date would show as month in text. Select the cells, format like this. Month should appear in text. Otherwise, if the earlier number is less than 12, then you would not understand whether it is MMDDYY or DDMMYY. So with this, whatever date you will be entering, so 29th of June 06 1971. Now enter date beyond 95. 12 December 2000. It will not accept. It will give you default error message. Even if you want to enter 15th of May 1920, it will not accept. This is how we have to set the validation for date 2. You can try out validation for many other things that set therein by yourself. We have learned date and list. Similarly, there are many other validations that whole number, decimal, time, text length, or you can set it custom. Or you can set it with between, not between, equal to, and so on for rest of the thing. You can try it by yourself. You can very well set it for your data.